Cloth diapers for babies, what every parent should know. In this video, we will discuss cloth diapers are making a huge comeback, and for good reason. They're eco-friendly, gentle on your baby's skin, and easier on your wallet. Disposable diapers may be convenient, but they're not the best for the planet or your baby. Cloth diapers are a safer, more sustainable alternative that can save you hundreds of dollars. Types of cloth diapers. 1. All-in-one diapers. All-in-one diapers are super easy to use. They have an absorbent layer built in. No extra inserts are needed. Just wear, wash, and reuse. Ideal for outings or babysitters. 2. All-in-two diapers. All-in-two diapers come with a snap-in or lay-in absorbent pad. Change just the pad, not the entire diaper. Great for flexibility and managing laundry. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby care-related videos. Please continue watching. 3. Prefold diapers. Prefold diapers are simple, affordable cotton rectangles that you fold to fit your baby and then cover. They're budget, friendly, and super customizable. 4. Fitted diapers. Fitted diapers hug your baby's curves and have leak-proof gussets. They usually need a waterproof cover, but they're fantastic for overnight use. 5. Hybrid diapers. Hybrid diapers offer the best of both worlds. Use either reusable or biodegradable inserts in the same shell. Great for eco-conscious parents who want options. How to find the right diaper. Not every diaper will suit every baby. Try a few types to see what works best. Some parents use different types for day, night, and travel. Look for one-size cloth diapers. These grow with your baby, saving you from buying new sizes every few months. How many diapers do you need? That depends on how often you do laundry. Daily washes, around 18. Every other day, 24 to 36 should do the trick. Easy tips for changing a cloth diaper. 1. Changing cloth diapers is similar to disposables. Remember to change them regularly, about 10 to 12 times a day for newborns, to prevent rashes. 2. Frequent changes keep your baby rash-free. But if you notice a yeast rash, don't wait. Talk to your pediatrician right away. 3. Keep your baby entertained with toys or mirrors during changes. A distracted baby makes the process much smoother for everyone. 4. After use, rinse out the diaper and place it in a dry bin. A liner can help control odors. No soaking is needed. Washing cloth diapers. 1. Start with a cold rinse, no detergent. 2. Then run a hot wash cycle with about a quarter cup detergent. 3. Finish with a cold rinse. That's it, clean and fresh. What detergent should you use? Use regular detergent in small amounts, or pick one specially made for cloth diapers. Avoid fabric softeners. They reduce absorbency. Cloth diapers take a little getting used to, but they're worth it for your baby, wallet, and the planet. Start small, experiment, and enjoy the journey.